In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop ChatGPT from sharing your conversations. If you want more control over how your chats are used, this quick setting will help you prevent your new conversations from being used to improve the model. I'll walk you through it clearly, explain what each step does, and share a few helpful notes along the way. Start by heading to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT window. That's where your profile area lives. Click your profile to open the menu. From there, select Settings. This opens a small window where you can manage how ChatGPT works for you. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Data Controls. Click that. Data Controls is where you manage what information is used to help improve the service, and it's the place you need to be for this change. Now, find the option called Improve the Model for Everyone. This is the key setting. When this is turned on, your conversations may be used to help train and refine the model so it gets better over time. If you prefer that your new chats are not included in that process, you'll want to turn this off. Click the Improve the Model for Everyone option, then toggle it off. When you switch it off, you may see the toggle change color or position to confirm it's disabled. In some cases, you might be asked to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm if prompted. Once it's off, your future conversations won't be used to help improve the model. A few helpful notes for clarity. This setting focuses on whether your chats are used to train and improve the model. Turning it off doesn't stop necessary processing that keeps the service running, and it doesn't retroactively change how past conversations were handled. It simply ensures that going forward, your new chats won't be included in training. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place. Settings, then Data Controls, and toggle it back on. That's all there is to it. You went to the bottom left, opened your profile, selected Settings, clicked Data Controls, found Improve the Model for Everyone, and toggled it off. Take a moment to double-check that the switch is off so you know the change is in effect. If the interface looks slightly different in the future, the Data Controls area is still where you'll find this option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of how your conversations are used.